welcome back to the channel. Today, I just got my delivery. So you know what that means. It's time for update 2 for the Jeep Gladiator. It's April 20th today. It's supposed to be spring, but we got snow. It's a little chilly, so it's a good day to get inside the hobby cave. Let's get to it. Come on out, bud. Look who's down there. Mr. Oscar. Let's go. Alright, we're down in the cave. Much warmer. No snow in here. Got my delivery. We got the Jeep Gladiator. Incoming. Being my first SCX24, I did not have any tools, so that's why I went ahead and bought this Injora 1.3 millimeter. I've been using it throughout this video to do the beadlocks, and it is fantastic. I highly recommend it. It was only $5 on their website, Canadian. And this is what I was using before. It's what came with the vehicle. My fingers would cramp all the time. So far with this, the nice big handle, it's been great. And no cramps. Success. Smash that like, guys, if you're enjoying the new rims and the brass diff covers. Honestly, feeling the weight already, I know I gained a nice good few grams. Should help drastically with keeping this thing on all four wheels. Let's get the scale and see what the weight is. 359 grams. Originally it was 289. So we gained a total of 70 grams. Get the scale out of the way and continue with the build. A great friend of mine, Mario Wright, he has a YouTube channel as well, you can check it out. He kindly took some videos of his 3D printer in action so we could see how these parts are created and a little bit of his programs on his computer. So enjoy, guys. update 2 has come to an end. I have to ask, what do you guys think of the Jeep Gladiator? Drop a comment below, share your thoughts with me. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe if you enjoyed any of the content you witnessed today. It's sunny and warm. Exactly what I was hoping for spring. Stay tuned for a lot more hobby related content and custom builds. And with that, we're gonna wrap up this video. Have a great day, guys. Ironside out.